Hello you lovely lot. Welcome back to another video. My name's Carl and I'm into the outdoors. At this precise moment of filming, it is Sunday the 16th of November, and I've still got 2 or 3 videos left to upload from a Scottish trip. I'm not sure whether I've already uploaded them before I put this one out, or whether I'll do it after this one. So if they're not out already, I do apologise that it's taken me so long. I've started making my own music to go on the videos, which has taken a little bit longer. So today I'm joined by my mate Wayne.
I'm
just going to call him Wayne Outdoors.
Wayne Outdoors, yeah. Like it.
And
I'm into the outdoors.
you are into the outdoors.
I am into the outdoors,
Yeah, so later on, my mate, my good friend Rob, Wild Camper, he's coming down to meet us. We will be camping at, I think it's Cranbrook Fort, where me and Wayne have camped before, and me and Rob have camped there before. But because Rob's working today, he can't leave till about 5 o'clock. So he's not going to get to us till quite late, around 9ish. So at least where we're camping and parking, it's really not far for Rob to walk to come and meet us. We'll be paralytic by then, I reckon.
We would have had a few by then, hopefully.
Yeah, sorry, it's quite a long intro, this. But we are currently, spin you around a minute. Someone coming now. But we're currently just down from Castle Drogo, which is up there. Just up through the trees, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. But the reason why we've drove to this part, we wanted to walk it. But anyone who's camped with me before knows I'm useless at getting ready. So Wayne's had to wait about 3 hours for me. Yeah, I think we got through there. Yeah, we got through there. Yeah, he's had to wait like 3 hours for me. So it's getting a bit late now. So we drove to Castle Drogo, just parked in a lay-by. So we're going to have a little walk around there, maybe do some photos. And then drive back to pitch up our tents. Cheers, Wayne. Just left him to do the gate. So in this part of the video, there's going to be no walking into to and from shots because we haven't got time. Unfortunately, Wayne can only do one night. So he'll be going back home tomorrow, whilst me and Rob will be going on to proper Dartmoor. I think I've missed out on coming out and getting the autumn colours. It's looking quite bare now. This is such an amazing place. I think we'll go down and have a look at Hunter's Tor viewpoint, which I'm assuming is probably there. Path for Hunter's Path to Castle Drogo, which castle's just up there. Love it. So we've now made it down to Hunter's Tor. Absolutely stunning. I've just gutted that I've not had enough time to come out and get the colours of the autumn. I mean, there's still some colour, but it's a bit bland. We're going to be camping up over the top of that hill. The River Tean is running down through here. You can probably hear it. Oh yeah, absolutely stunning. I did want to go over to Sharptall, which is over there. But I don't think we're going to have enough time. So a load of dogs just come running down to us. Right, we're kind of heading back now. That's where we were just a minute ago, Hunter's Tour. Just been taking some photos. Just taking some photos of these mushrooms here.
Trying to work out how to take the flash off.
Can't flash in public, mate. Got a lovely photo of that tree that just stands out there. Photo of that from back there. So just heading back to the car, and we will be setting up camp. Right, that was quite funny. That we just come out of here, and we come down here. It was like, "Where's the car?" We generally thought someone had taken the car. We thought we parked there, and realised. Yeah, we walked down this path, which brings us down to the car.
Schoolboy
Yeah.
error.
We're not the sharpest tools in the box. Right, I'm not sure how much you'll be able to see here because it is quite dark. It's now 10 to 5. We've arrived where we're going to pitch up. This is a tent where me and Rob and me and Wayne on separate occasions have camped under this tree, but we think we're going to struggle to get 3 tents on there, so we'll probably have that as our cooking area, put up a little tarp or something, and we're just going to camp where the bracken is, although it has been cut down. It's quite spongy, so it'll be nice and soft.
Yeah, lovely.
And it is actually starting to get a bit chilly. Okay, so it's just coming up to 7:30. There's Wayne's tent. The Wild Country by Terra Nova Blizzard 2. That's not a bad little tent, that is it?
Oh, it's a great tent. Yeah.
It's too low for me.
It's a little bit low, but there's, you know, it's spacious width-wise. But
Nice and
I'm only a
cosy.
little guy, so I'm all right.
Yeah, but when I'm in there,
Yeah. Oh, it's cosy in there. I mean, it's pretty cold out here tonight, but the minute you step in there, you know, it's lovely. So yeah, really happy with it.
and then the tent I've fallen in love with, my Terra Nova Southern Cross 2. I haven't got lights inside mine, so you can't really see much of it. And we've got this top configuration up, only to cut out the wind because it is quite blowy. And yeah, we're just going to get in here and start to cook our dinner, which is a mixed grill. Do you know what, I think we'll still be cooking when Rob arrives.
I think we will be. Yeah. Last time it took us about 2 hours to complete. So
Only because we were drunk.
yeah, and we got limited, you know, cooking
Yeah.
utensils, haven't we? But yeah, let's do it.
Let's crack on.
Yeah.
Oh, we're just about to get the old Captain Morgan's out too. So we're nearly set up ready for cooking, and this is what we're having this evening. We're gonna have fried potatoes, got 2 beef medallion steaks, duck breasts, and chorizo style pork sausages. I'm really looking forward to this.
Find it.
Right, there we are, mixed grill. We have duck, steak, sausage, eggs, and chips. Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt your thing, but do you want a music strike?
Yeah, I don't care.
Oh, alright. Well,
I'll do it now.
hello.
And look what's turned up. Hold on.
Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? What's turned up?
There we go.
Me, I'm freezing, that's why I am Michelin man.
Rob,
Chilly, isn't it?
Rob Wildcamper. Yes, it is chilly.
OC. How you doing, dude?
I'm alright, mate. You alright?
Yeah, man. I'm steaming up. Oh yeah, nice. Close up.
Good morning, everyone. We're all slowly waking up. It is quite late. It's 5 to 10 at the moment. I've not said hello to any of the lads yet, but I know Rob's awake. Morning, Rob. He's not answering. He's definitely awake. I think he's making a drink. Not sure about Wayne. Weather's absolutely stunning out there. That's such a freezing night last night. Honestly, my feet are still cold from last night. I'll show you outside a second. It's going to be a good day. I'm sorry for the lack of filming. We're just getting drunk, having dinner. Dinner's quite late. See Rob turning up. I've not seen him for a few years, so we're just yapping away. So I think we're going to get up, start packing away, and have some breakfast. Sorry, Rob's just come over and pretended to flash to me right behind the camera. So a nice simple breakfast this morning for a nice simple guy. I'm gonna be having porridge.
Name of the hill?
I think it's Cranbrook. Right, time's got on a little bit. I absolutely love it up here. We got the drone up. Got some great shots. We're all just starting to pack down now. What a lovely day. Absolutely lovely. Got Drew Staten down there. And if I bring you up here, which if you've seen my videos before, you would have seen this anyway from my last camp up here. There's Castle Drogo. Fernworthy. And me and Rob will be camping up there somewhere today, up on Dartmoor, proper Dartmoor. It is 20 to 1 and we are finally packed up. And underneath this cloud it is getting very chilly. Obviously when the sun's out it's a lot nicer. This is where we were. So as always, leave no trace. And here we have...
Hello. So I'm bundled up because it's blinking cold. Oh, how are we all? All right? Oh, it's very kind of you, sir.
Help the elderly.
Yeah. Not whack over here.
Yeah, Rob, Wild Camper.
Hello, everyone.
He's been on the channel before.
Been a while.
Yeah, too long.
I think we worked out, was it 3 years?
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Can't believe it.
It's been good. It's been good, but we've got a bit ahead of us, haven't we? Me and Carl are going on somewhere else, and yeah, but it's cold, so we're gonna get moving, I think.
Yeah.
Freezing.
I'm just in this little thin fleece thing with a t-shirt on.
Rubbish.
But then I'm obese. Although saying that, I was absolutely freezing last night. I was more cold than you lot last night.
Yeah, it was cold.
And bear in mind, I don't normally feel the cold, and we've camped in a lot worse. I've camped in the snow, I've been fine. But last night, for some reason, it was cold, even though it wasn't in the minuses or nothing. So, yeah, we're going to say bye to Wayne. Bye. He's got to go back, so he's doing 1 night. I'm doing 2, and Rob's possibly doing 3, but then he's travelled the furthest distance. Yeah, so part 2 will be coming up. I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.